My greenhouse is kind of full. There are all my sunflowers. And yeah, some of them are getting pretty tall. Like them go to my waistline. And then we have two kinds of tomatoes there. The purple kind and I don't remember. And then I have cauliflower. I have a lot of kale. Most of this is all kale. And then I got more tomatoes down on this shelf down here. And I have a bunch of marigolds too. This is marigolds down here. And then I got marigold and tomatoes there. I got one marigold right there that was a very, very large flower that I really liked that came up from my own seed. But that's all that made it from my own seed. And I have more tomatoes here. A total of 4 kinds of tomatoes. The Bonnie Best is probably what I'll plant. Them, I don't remember what them are. It says right here. Oh, that's the Jersey Devil. Them are aroma, and them get like 6 inches long, so they're a large aroma. And then I also have over here, I have the San Maranzo, which is what I usually plant, but they only get like 4 inches. And then these here over here is just a nice slicer. So I think I'm going to put together some to donate to the silent auction in Bacchus at the Christian school Saturday. So if you get a chance to come by, I'm not sure which sunflowers. These here, like I say, this in here is, yeah, waist high. And I hope that's not a bud on it. It isn't. It's just where it's growing. And they're growing like crazy. I'll probably do a little smaller one because them big ones, I don't even know if they're going to work because they're should be planted a long time ago and I can't plant them. And there's one of my kitties. Well, she wants something. She's probably telling me, come feed me. And I say, go hunt for mice. I will probably check her. So this is the greenhouse. And I put clip on right here to hold the door tight shut. I take the clip off and I can open the door. Otherwise I get a crack over here on the one side. And I forgot to mention something, but I have some milkweed planted. Not very many. That's the tallest one. And I've got heaters going in here. I have 3 small, these just room heaters. Get it so that it's on it. There. And then I got the third one. And they are thermostatically controlled, so they automatically shut off at 72. And I have this bigger heater that I used when it got down to 21 degrees outside, and I didn't want everything to freeze. I did not have the tomatoes out at the time because they take hot weather. I do have a thermometer in here, and as you can see, it's 79 degrees in here right now. And like I say, I'm gonna donate some of these to the Christian school for their silent auction. And otherwise, a lot of them will be sold in Pine River. For the 4-H club has what I don't plant. I planted for me, but I don't plant this much, so the leftovers the 4-H club gets, and we have a plant sale in Pine River, so it'll be in front of Thrifty Living out on the sidewalk. So, well, that's my greenhouse and my tomatoes. These here, you can tell that they almost got burnt on the top, and it must have been because the LED light was too close to them, I'm guessing. But they'll recover now that I got them in here where they've got natural light. I do still have one LED, but it's just kind of back in the corner. I might move it to the back wall if I can figure out how to hang it. There's no really way to hang things in here, so I did also put, since it's so cold, I put clips here to hold the windows from the wind blowing them up and losing heat on both of the windows. So, but yeah, it's pretty tight. And the heaters, when they run, they blow a little bit of, they've got a little fan, so it gives you a little air circulation, not a lot. Would be nice if we had a little bit more. I probably won't put the clip on during the day today because it's going to be warmer today, and that'll just make a little bit more circulation of air in here. I think outside it's already 35, so it's not freezing. They'll be okay. So, like, it's been cracked open the whole time I've been standing in here, and it's still at 79 degrees. It was 86, I think, when I first come in here this morning. When the sun was in here, the heaters were all shut off at the time. They're running right now, so evidently over here on the floor it must be below 72. But yeah, that's my plants. We will see you next time. Check out all the videos at Natural Health. Natural Green Creations. That's what it's called. I'm a natural health consultant. I was getting it confused. Okay. Catch you later.